Welcome back. Part 1 আমি শেষ কৰিলো already narration direct speech indirect speech আৰু আজি এটো ভিডিও part 2 টু পাবা তোমালকে part 2 ত আমি শিকিম যে বেলেগ বেলেগ সেন্টেন্সত কেনেকে আমি ডাইৰেক্ট স্পীচ টু ইনডাইৰেক্ট স্পীচ হলে বা ইনডাইৰেক্ট স্পীচ টু কেনেকে ডাইৰেক্ট স্পীচ হলে নিব পাৰো এতিয়া সেন্টেন্স বুলি কলে পাঁচটা টাইপ আছে তোমালকে পাইছা সকে assertive interrogative imperative exclamatory optative assertive এতিয়া কি assertive হৈছে যিবোৰ any kind of sentences তুমি হয় বা নহয় কোৱা I go to school is an assertive sentence I do not go to school is an assertive sentence I am Runa is assertive sentence she is Meena is assertive sentence I don't like tea is assertive sentence assertive or দুটা টাইপ আছে এটা declarative এটা negative negative or not লগাই দিয়ে এতিয়া হো interrogative interrogative or দুটা টাইপ আছে এটা yes no টাইপ এটা ws টাইপ yes no টাইপ কোনবোৰ যিবোৰ কোৱেশ্চনৰ আনসাৰ আমি yes বা no পাও যেনেকে do you like tea yes I like tea I don't like tea হেবোৰ হৈছে yes no টাইপ আৰু এটা হৈছে ws টাইপ ws টাইপ কোনবোৰ where is your home what is your name ws যত থাকে হেবোৰ হৈছে ws questions so আমি পালো interrogative or দুটা টাইপ imperative কোনবোৰ imperative order request command proposal হেবোৰ বুজায় আমি ডিটেইলস অফ পিছত আলোচনা কৰিম যেতিয়া সেন্টেন্স খিনি আমি কনভার্ট কৰিম exclamatory কোনবোৰ exclamatory exclamations বুজায় sudden feeling of mind hurrah we have won the match alas my grandmother died হেবোৰ হৈছে sudden feeling of mind the child is very dirty hush the baby is asleep হেবোৰ হৈছে exclamatory sentences optative sentence wish of mind বুজায় তুমি কিবা এটা আশা কৰিছা could I be the had I been the prime minister of India could I get $1 million হেবোৰ হৈছে wish বা optative sentence blessings বুজায় may you live long curse বুজায় অভিশাপ may you go to hell এতিয়া assertive sentence হলে আমি কেনেকে কনভার্ট কৰিম assertive sentence একো চিন্তা কৰিব নালাগে আগৰ যিখিনি rules ফলো কৰিছিলো হেখিনি কৰিলে হ'ল হেকাৰণে ইয়াত বুজাব লগা একো নাই মই দুটা एग्जांपल দি থৈছো আৰু the laborer said I do not work on Sunday the laborer said that he did not work on Sunday do not to did not হৈ যাব কাৰণ এটো past tense আছে the child said I am very hungry mother the child said to his mother to আগলে আনিলো that he was very hungry sub rule seke yat hikabo laga ekko nai interrogative sentence mo kolu eta yes no type eta ws duitare rules bur beleg e yes no type or tinta disu ws or tinta disu so asun the teacher asked is your father at home to yes no type hoy na yes ba no koba tumi tetia hole yes no type thakile if বা whether আমি ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব that ইউজ কৰিব নালাগে হে আগৰ যে সেন্টেন্স বোৰ আমি that ইউজ কৰিছিলো হেবু নালাগে that অৰ ঠাইত আমি if বা whether ইউজ কৰিম the teachers ask is your father at home ask to already আছে say থাকিলো ask কে লিখিবা the teacher ask if or whether কিবা এটা লগালে হল মই দুইটাই দি দিছো কিন্তু কিবা কোনবা এটা লগাবা if or whether his father was at home Sohan said, may I use your pen, Mohan? Sohan asked Mohan if he might, may to might ho jabo karone to past tense, use his pen. I asked Atul if he got up early every day. I said, etu tumar indirect speech ase direct speech hole nibo lage. I said, within inverted commas likhila, Atul, do you get up early every day? Hoy gol. I did WS swa. ws she asked me what my name was she said to me এটো হলে কি আগৰ rules খিনি একে তাৰ পিছত if বা whether লগাব না লাগে তোমালকে what to what এ থাকিলে what is your name question mark I said to my friend how many brothers are you I asked my friend how many brothers were they the how where what হেবোৰ একেই থাকিব Mohan said to Sohan, what help can I give you? Mohan asked Sohan, what help could he give him? Buzila? So, interrogative ye duta type of sentence. Yes, no type hole if ba whether logaba, that to nalage logabole. Last direct speech question mark thakibo, indirect speech full stop thakibo. Aru WS type WS word jitu ase what, where, how, which hebur thaki jabo. Direct speech to thakibo, indirect speech to thakibo. Kintu yat if ba whether logabo nalage. Baki rules eki. Etia hu imperative sentence hole. Imperative sentence ki ki bujai? Order, request, command, proposal, advice. Ebur bujai. Aru etia ami sentence bur sai lom kunbur sentence ot ami ki use koribo lage. Sentence u sale tumalke gom pai jaba. Bahut easy hoy. Assertive sentence ot order, request, command, propose, warn, forbid ebur use kore said or bodli. Said or bodli. The teacher said to the student, do not waste your time. Teacher a student or ki diye? Advice diye. The teacher advised the student not to waste their time. The teacher forbids Sheila to do like that. Forbid mane mana kora. So do not do like that. The teacher said, do not do like that. The queen said to the maid, make my bed. Etu ki hoy? Etu queen kam kora manho ki kobo? Order dibo hoy na. The queen ordered the maid to make her bed. Sina said to me, let us go for a picnic. Let us start hua sentence mur proposal hoy. Sina proposed me to go for a picnic. Jawan said, march forward. March forward boli kune kobo. Commander kobo, Jawan se kobo, command dibo. Hetu command hoy. Jawans commanded to march forward. Santa said to Sila not to let him deceive her. Santa said to Sila, let not him deceive you. So, ekhini hoise amar imperative sentence. Tumalke sai loba kuntut order hoy, kuntut request hoy, kuntut advice hoy, kuntut proposal hoy. Bahut easy hoy. Etia hu ami exclamatory sentence hole. Exclamatory sentence ot ami exclaim with sorrow, regret, scold, applaud, confess, beg ebur use koribo paro. Say, holoni. Etia suasun. She said, what a beautiful flower it is. What a beautiful flower it is. Etu wonder hobo pare ba joy hobo pare. She exclaimed with joy that the flower was very beautiful. Past tense ase karone ami etu past tense likhisu. Was. Suresh said goodbye my friends. Suresh bade goodbye to his friend. Goodbye thakile bade word to use koribo para. BADE. She said, alas my mother died. Alas my mother died. Etu dukh. Dukh hole she exclaimed with sorrow that her mother died. He said, hurrah, we won. He exclaimed with joy. Etu furti hoy. Joy hai karne. Joy that they had won. The student said to the teacher, good morning sir. Good morning to wish boli koy. The student wished the teacher good morning. The captain said, bravo, you have done my mates. Bravo to praise kora hoy. Praise. The captain applauded ba praised his mates. He said, how foolish I have been. Etu dukh korise. Regret. He regretted that he had been very foolish. Had been kya lagaiso ami yat have ase have to past tense of had hoi jabo. Puh, what a dirty child, she said. Etu ghin korise. Puh, see. She exclaimed with hatred that the child is very dirty. Tia ami exclamatory sentence ena dhorone koribo paru. Etia optative sentence sao ha. Optative sentence. Optative sentence son ami wish, curse ba bless. A word gita use koribo paru. Karon a sentence bure manuhor aha curse mane obhishap ar bless mane ba pray. Pray use koribo paru. Bless mane আশীর্বাদ দিয়া. The old mother excuse me said to her son, may you live long. এয়া হৈছে blessing মাকৰ ল'ৰাটোৰ প্ৰতি. The old mother blessed her son to live long. God save the king, said the people. The people prayed. that God might save the king. Would I were rich? It was aha, said the beggar. The beggar wished to be rich. May you go to hell, the mother said to her son. The mother cursed her son. She wished that he might succeed in the test. She said, may you succeed in the test. Eto indirect ase, ami direct ole nisu. The dying man longed for a glass of water. Eto indirect ase. Direct ki hobo? The dying man said, oh, for a glass of water. Exclamation mark to dibole napahorba. So yat ami wish, curse, blessing, pray ji dorkar hoy ami use korim aru direct speech ot ami hodai exclamation mark dim. Indirect speech ot full stop dile hol, kintu ami direct speech ot exclamation mark dim hodai monot rakhiba. Ami narration ba indirect speech, direct speech আজি শেষ কৰিলো এইটো ভিডিঅ'. Thank you for watching.